This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jollibee gravy at home. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Having everything ready before you start makes the whole experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Let's get cooking. Now, let's create the foundation for our delicious gravy, the roux. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue to whisk constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture turns a light golden color. This step is crucial for developing a rich flavor and ensuring your gravy thickens beautifully without a raw flour taste. With our roux ready, it's time to add the liquids and seasonings. Slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until the mixture is smooth. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor and a beautiful color. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Feel free to adjust the pepper to your liking. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. It should be smooth and velvety. Taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, perhaps a pinch more salt or pepper. Once perfect, remove it from the heat and serve immediately with your favorite fried chicken or other dishes. For an amazing way to keep your home tidy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.